Hi, I'm Paul from Alpha Intelligent Manifold. I'm VP of Product. So our company uses AI to solve the cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis disease screening shortage. Japan, because of the aging society, cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis is becoming critical. It's the number one cause of death, cardiovascular disease. 210,000 people die per year, and more than 4.4 million people suffer from it. For osteoporosis, it has 193,000 people with hip fracture per year, and with more than 12 million people suffer from it. The critical issue is for these two diseases, they are discovered late. So 25% of people died first year after diagnosis. The reason for the delay of treatment is because the lack of screening device, the lack of specialty doctors. That's why we use AI to empower local primary care device like ultrasound and X-ray to diagnose cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. We have set up strategic partnership with Cognito Health, and we have several clinical collaboration with local leading hospitals. Our company aims to have government healthcare insurance by 2026. We look for local distributors and healthcare institutions. We are AIM. We bring precision care accessible to global aging population. Thank you.
I'm Grace Lee, CEO of Amelio Biomedical. We build next-generation hemostatic technology that stops bleeding in seconds and saves lives. Our product, RealSeal, is a hemostatic powder designed specifically for severe bleeding. We have not yet entered the Japanese market, but we hold great respect in Japan's leadership in advanced medical technology and emergency care. We are actively seeking trusted partners to explore collaborations and regulatory pathways. And we believe RealSeal has strong potential to contribute meaningfully to the Japanese healthcare system.
Hi, I'm Jack Yang, the COO of Anivance AI. We are a biotech company in Taiwan. We focusing on improving and accelerating the drug development process in preclinical testing stage. Our platform combines human cells in automatic chip system with AI agent technology together. We call this AI-driven organ on chip. It allows people to check how really a real human tissue responds to drug treatment and toxicity in our human body and provide reliable data compared with traditional approaches. And recently, there are global policies pushing to use human-based and non-human testing tools to do drug testing. They deliver more reliable human data to helping pharma and the researcher to smarter and faster solution to go to the next step. We want to do the real-time to sensing the cell behavior because we can get more inside information to know. So we need to know the drug response for every cell. So we combine with technology doing now. Yes.
I'm Roger, the founder and CEO of Pathogenomics, and our company is doing DNA sequencing to identify pathogens, and by using next-generation sequencing technology, which we could identify more than 27,000 pathogens in one test in one day. So that's our product called APG-Seq. So compare with a traditional test like blood culture or rapid test, they're all based on hypothesis, so they can detect like one or several pathogens in one test. But our solutions, next-gen sequencing, basically identify every single DNA of the specimen. So we can identify more than 27,000 pathogens, inclusive of bacteria, virus, fungus, and parasites in one day. So imagine that if your family or friends in ICU, that doctor told you that it's unknown fever, we don't know what it is, we just need to try antibiotics and to see if it will work or not. Our test would really help doctors to identify which pathogen it is. We believe that holistic knowledge will help like thousands of patients in Japan to save their lives. Save more lives, no more hypothesis with APGSIC.
皆様こんにちは。アバランチコンピューティング高等創生者のワンファンシーと申します。多くの企業は生成 AI のような革新的なツールを取り入れ、新世代の人材を引きつける職場環境を構築します。なぜなら人材こそが企業の競争力と未来を左右するからです。アシーナというソフトウェアプラットフォームを提供しています。これは企業専用の安全なミニ GPT であり、インターネットを接続不要で即時に使用可能。AI エンジニアもサーバールームも不要で、オフィスや工場への簡単な導入が可能です。企業がリスクを管理しやすい安全な生成 AI 環境を短時間で構築できます。社内に生成 AI のイノベーション環境を整えることで、社員が AI との共用になれ、新しい働き方にシフトでき、他社との生成 AI 格差を縮めることが可能になります。AI と共に進む未来について、ぜひ私たちとご相談ください。
Hi, I'm Ethan, the founder and CEO of BEARVFX. We are shaping the next generation of human-AI interaction. Our vision is to build an engaging AI reality through 3D AI virtual humans. Our 3D AI virtual humans can hear, speak, and even see in real time, just like a real staff. Powered by multimodal AI and LLMs, they boost conversations, cut costs, and scale instantly across industries. Deployed today, ready for tomorrow. Global labor shortages and rising service demands are hitting every industry. We solve both. Through 24/7 AI agents that engage customers, reduce workloads, and generate insights from every interaction. We partnered with NEC in Taiwan to create 3D AI Beethoven. In Japan, we exhibited at SR Kaigi, Susitech Tokyo, and Expo Osaka related events, attracting strong interest from major enterprises and government agencies. To accelerate market expansion, we are setting up a local entity in Tokyo and advancing deployment discussions. We are ready to scale in Japan and beyond. Partner with us to lead the next generation of human-AI interaction.
Hi, I'm Nongwan Cai, General Manager of Caduceus Biotechnology Incorporation. Caduceus Biotechnology Incorporation was spun off from Industrial Technology Research Institute in Taiwan in 2016. Our core business focuses on detecting rare protein biomarkers of Alzheimer's disease through a blood-based test. Alzheimer's disease affects millions of people, with the cases expected to rise as populations age. Current diagnostic methods such as amyloid PET scan and cerebrospinal fluid analysis are invasive, costly, and unsuitable for early screening. We aim to revolutionize early screening of Alzheimer's disease by providing a platform with cost-effective and minimal invasive for the blood biomarker testing, offering a viable alternative to costly and invasive procedures. We sincerely invite investors and healthcare partners to join us in pioneering the future of Alzheimer's disease diagnostics. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Paul, CEO and founder for CancerFree Biotech. We are empowering the future of precision medicine in cancer. 10 million people die because of cancer every year. When patients diagnosed with cancer, doctors usually follow the standard protocol. It's a one-size-fits-all solution. Patients have to try different treatments using their own body, and sometimes it could take as long as 6 months in order to know whether the treatment is working or not. With CancerFree Biotech's platform, we can identify cancer cells from patients' blood sample, and use our proprietary and patent system to grow a lot of physical cancer avatar in the lab and test multiple treatments outside the patient without hurting them. Our value proposition is helping the cancer patient test multiple treatments outside their body without hurting them just under 3 weeks. We can also help pharma company do the drug development, testing the potential compound on the real cancer cell from real cancer patient in real time. Not only saving time and money, but also de-risk their future of investment. We are very grateful for the support from Okinawa Institute of Science Technology, OIST. It's a world-famous science-focused research university. By cooperating with the researcher and the professor with OIST, we are going to helping the cancer patient to have a better quality of life in the future. Thank you.
チェリテックでパートナーシップマネージャーを務めているシェリと申します。日本市場における、業務全般を統括し、現時点の事業推進や、戦略的パートナーシップの構築に注力しています。タップペイは台湾発のフィンテック企業でシームレスな決済体験、多様な決済手段を投稿、独自開発の不正検知エンジン、そしてチャージバック保証など決済に関わる機能をワンストップで、提供する包括的なソリューションを展開しています。現在アジア18個のアクアラーと連携し、年間取扱高4500億円を超え、台湾国内では2万社以上の加盟店をご利用いただいております。そうですね、タップペイは多通貨多言語に、対応した柔軟な決済インフラ、そして高度な不正検知、高速かつ安定したトランザクション処理を実現しています。そして日本法人は2019年に設立し、2023年により、本格的に事業展開を開始しました。日本企業のグローバル展開を支える決済基盤として信頼性と拡張性を兼ね備えたサービスを提供しています。
My name is Kevin. I'm from the Cognito Health. This company is doing a medical device. It's quite innovative type of the medical device, which is we do have a very smart matrix. We are putting the vibration sensor and also the pressure sensor inside the entire of the like a textile. So we call this as a pad. Mostly is using in the nursing home and hospital. For example, some of the patient they cannot really move, so they were very easily to create the we call the pressure injury. So once pressure is in the same place a lot, so you were creating the pressure injury. So this type of a function can really reduce the patient creating this type of a pressure injury. We can also detect the heart rate and respiration rate. So your bag will become really smart bag. We right now already passed a clinical trial in Taiwan in 2 medical centers. We can detect the sleep apnea, which is when you fall into sleep, you will have like N1, N2 light sleep, and 3 the deep sleep, and to the REM stage. We can see the cycle. We can give you the sleep quality type of the report to help you to take care of your patient.